What's up YouTube, Alien Rides here, and today we've got the GotWay Nikola electric unicycle. Now I love this vehicle, it's super compact, affordable, powerful, gets me anywhere around San Francisco without a problem. But the one thing that's not so great is the ergonomics. So my buddy Vincent went ahead and made some pads for me, and I've gone ahead and upgraded them here on this unicycle. So these pads are new, they're super comfortable and made out of several layers of laser cut foam. Two-tone here, blue and black. And in this video, I'll show you how we installed them and test them out a bit. So subscribe and let's ride. I really like how these pads don't stick out so far from the wheel. The stock pads from the factory just felt like there's too much pressure against the inside of my leg. These are just right. The material is a little bit thinner and it's just more comfortable to ride. My legs just barely touch the material as I'm riding. Let's go ahead and test out some stairs and curb hops while we're here. So the one thing that's really nice about these pads is that they've got the power wedge in the front. So you can press your leg into them and get a lot more acceleration out of the wheel. Unfortunately for me, because I have such big feet, is that the curve is just a little bit too far forward. So I think I need to add some more foam and bring that back just a hair. Ideally, it's a bit adjustable though. Matthias Gran, EUC guy, was the first guy who invented these things, I think. And it's really cool to see all the different options that are coming out. So these power pads are super useful for getting more torque out of your wheel. And we'll go ahead and test them on a hill now. We'll head up to California Street. Alright guys, it's crazy bright right now, but we are at the base of California Street, about to go up it, so let's see how these power pads do. All right guys, so we made it up the hill. The power pads were effective, but they were a little bit far forward for me. Ideally they're adjustable so I can bring them back a bit or maybe add some more material so I don't have to lean so far forward. Anyway, I'm gonna head back down the hill now and wrap this video up in a second. All right guys, that's the end of our test. So I'm not sure if Vincent is actually going to be selling these yet, but I'll link to the forum thread he made in the description below and you can check it out. And I'll be updating you guys as well in the comments. He did tell me though that there's a fair amount of effort to assemble these, so he might sell them as a DIY kit, depending on how the adhesive works between the different layers of foam. You basically just have to put them together by applying some adhesive between all the various layers. I think there's like 7 layers total you need to assemble. Overall, these are some great pads and I hope you guys get a pair, or if not, buy some foam yourself, some EVA foam, take some scissors or a cutter and just go crazy. Make yourself some pads that you love. Embrace the DIY spirit. All right, now I'm gonna close with showing you guys how I assembled these pads and put them on the Nikola. Hope you all enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to do all the normal things like subscribe, like, bell, whatever else there is these days. And we'll see you all next time. Peace out.